In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your PayPal account with Government ID. If you need to confirm your identity on PayPal, the process is usually very quick and straightforward. Verifying your account can help unlock certain features, improve account security, and make it easier to use your account without interruptions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do so you can complete the verification smoothly. To get started, log into your PayPal account and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that as icon. This is where PayPal keeps the main account options, including personal details, security settings, and identity verification tools. Once you're inside the account options, look for the option that says Add ID. Select that to begin the verification process. PayPal may offer a few different types of identification depending on your country and what forms of ID are supported in your region. In most cases, you'll be able to choose from a passport, a government-issued ID card, or a driver's license. Choose the ID type you want to use. A good tip here is to select the document that is current, clearly readable, and easiest for you to upload. Make sure the name and information on the document match the details on your PayPal account as closely as possible, since mismatched information can sometimes delay the review process. After selecting your ID, enter the requested details exactly as they appear on the document. Take your time here and double-check everything before moving on. Even small typing mistakes can cause issues, so accuracy is important. Next, upload your ID when prompted. If you're taking a photo, make sure the image is sharp, well lit, and shows all corners of the document clearly. Avoid glare, blur, or cutting off any important information. If the upload doesn't work the first time, you can usually try again with a clearer image. Once you've entered the details and uploaded the document, submit it, and that's it. PayPal will then review your information. In some cases, verification happens quickly, while in others, it may take a little longer depending on your account and region. And that's all there is to it. You just click the gear icon, choose Add ID, select the type of identification you want to use, enter the details, upload the document, and submit. If this guide helped, you can follow the same process anytime you need to update or complete your identity verification.